To set your payment password is very easy in QubitsCube. Once you log in, you click on your username to access your dashboard. When you access your dashboard, you see the password icon. Click on the password icon, it will display where you have two sets of password you can change or set. You have the normal password, which is your login password, and the payment password, which is the one you're going to set now. You click on change payment password. When the page opens, you see where you have to provide the same password twice. Put it once and verify it the second time. This payment password is like your transaction PIN. If you are having your normal bank account app, you will have the one that you log into the app, and whenever you're going to make payments or transfers, you need to provide that transaction PIN. It's more like your personal identification number, that's PIN. You need that to transfer as well as withdraw and do certain delicate things in QubitsCube. You set it up and you are well on your way to transacting freely in QubitsCube.